So, good afternoon. We're making some pasta with garlic and oil. I'm using whole wheat, organic whole wheat spaghetti from Whole Foods Market. It's tough to cook whole wheat spaghetti. It's hard to get it al dente. Sometimes it's too al dente. So here's here's the garlic, which I sauteing in some extra virgin olive oil. It's an extreme amount of garlic, but I like it. So this recipe only has about 6 ingredients: the oil, the garlic, the pepper flakes, the pasta, cheese, and parsley. And I'm going to be adding a bunch of black pepper, sort of like a cacio e pepe, and garlic and oil together. The one thing great about this dish is that you cook the pasta for the last few minutes, actually with the garlic and some pasta water which you reserve. So it's supposed to be a 10-minute cooking time, and so I'm going to pull it out about 8 minutes, and then the last 2 minutes will be cooked with the garlic and some reserved pasta water. So I drained the pasta after 8 minutes, and now I'm going to add it to the garlic and oil. I've turned up the heat here. Add the reserved water and cook it for the last 2 minutes. So you can hear the water boiling in here. I added about a cup of the reserved water. Okay, so almost all the water is absorbed now. About 5 minutes of cooking time after I added the pasta to the pot. Finished with the Parmesan. I didn't salt the pasta water, so there's no sodium in this dish until you add the Parmesan cheese. And the black pepper is the final touch. The organic parsley for garnish. It's optional, of course, if you don't have any parsley. This tastes just as good without it. It's Italian parsley, of course. Here's a nice portion. Delish, huh? Cheesy, lots of black pepper, garlic, and oil. Enjoy.